This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kevin Bernhardt. Welcome to Gateway Estates. This is one of the largest mobile homes in the community. Open floor plan allows great opportunities for entertaining. The unit is on a corner lot, with tons of yard space and 2 coconut palms. Get ready for some Coco Frios. Association cuts the grass, so no need for upkeep. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit with a D, and the den has custom shelving installed, perfect as an office space for remote workers. New floors in the bedrooms. 2 dedicated parking spaces immediately next to home, along with a paved area on the front side. Quiet community with great amenities, pool, playground, clubhouse, and so on. Unit comes as is. Water and sewer also included in rent. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin Bernhardt at 786-581-1400.